When we think about military technology, drones have become a game changer, and Northrop Grumman has been at the forefront of this evolution. Let's dive into 5 remarkable drones that they've built for the U.S. military, each with its own unique capabilities and contributions. First up is the RQ-4 Global Hawk. This high-altitude, long-endurance unmanned aerial vehicle is designed for surveillance and reconnaissance. With a wingspan larger than a Boeing 737, it can fly at altitudes of 60,000 feet, gathering intelligence over vast areas. The Global Hawk is equipped with advanced sensors that can capture high-resolution imagery and signals intelligence, making it invaluable for military operations and disaster relief efforts. Its ability to stay airborne for over 30 hours allows it to cover extensive ground without needing to refuel, providing real-time data to commanders on the ground. Next, we have the MQ-4C Triton. This drone is essentially the maritime version of the Global Hawk, specifically designed for naval operations. The Triton can monitor vast ocean areas, providing critical intelligence for the Navy. With its advanced radar systems, it can detect ships and submarines, ensuring that our naval forces maintain situational awareness. The Triton's ability to operate in conjunction with manned aircraft and ships enhances the overall effectiveness of naval operations, making it a key player in maritime security. Moving on to the MQ-8 Fire Scout. This vertical takeoff and landing drone is primarily used by the Navy for reconnaissance, surveillance, and target acquisition. The Fire Scout can operate from ships and land bases, providing real-time intelligence to commanders. Its versatility allows it to support various missions, from anti-piracy operations to battlefield reconnaissance. With its ability to carry different payloads, including sensors and weapons, the Fire Scout is a valuable asset in both combat and support roles. Now, let's talk about the X-47B, a groundbreaking unmanned combat air vehicle. This drone was designed for carrier operations, showcasing the potential for drones to operate alongside traditional manned aircraft. The X-47B can perform aerial refueling, strike missions, and surveillance, all while being controlled remotely or autonomously. Its stealth capabilities allow it to penetrate enemy defenses without being detected, making it a formidable tool in modern warfare. The successful testing of the X-47B has paved the way for future unmanned systems to operate from aircraft carriers, revolutionizing naval aviation. Finally, we have the RQ-170 Sentinel, often shrouded in secrecy. This stealth drone was developed for reconnaissance missions, particularly in hostile environments. Its low observable design allows it to evade radar detection, making it ideal for gathering intelligence in contested airspace. The RQ-170 gained notoriety during the operation that led to the discovery of Osama bin Laden's compound, showcasing its effectiveness in high-stakes scenarios. While details about its capabilities remain classified, its role in intelligence gathering has undoubtedly made a significant impact on military operations. These 5 drones from Northrop Grumman illustrate the incredible advancements in unmanned technology for the U.S. military. Each drone serves a distinct purpose, enhancing our capabilities in surveillance, reconnaissance, and combat. As technology continues to evolve, we can only imagine what the future holds for military drones and their role in modern warfare.